Hi, I'm Crystal. I'm the founder and CEO of everprecise, and this is my friend Naisha.
Hi, I'm Naisha, the founder and CEO of Precise.
So we've joined forces today to share our companies with the world.
And today we're going to be sharing with you a little bit about who we are and what do we do.
Awesome. So I'm a scientist and former R&D leader, and I founded my company everprecise to focus on helping technical professionals and technical organizations work on leadership skills in order to innovate and grow their companies.
I am an engineer and practically problem solving since birth, so that is what Precise does. Working with organizations, solving the problems and help them grow. And these problems typically are inefficient operations, ineffective strategies, and difficult change adoption.
Awesome. So stay tuned for more videos from us, Naisha and Crystal, and hear more about what our companies do to serve you. Thank you.